Website is getting important nowadays. Almost every business owner has a website for their business. But is it necessary to have a website for your business? Why is it so important? Hi, I'm Andres from Cleverest Consulting, and today I'm going to tell you the importance of website for your business. Stay tuned. In 2019, having a website is no longer an optional choice for business owner. It is undeniable that any company should have its own website to tell the client who they are and what they do. So, as a business owner, website is one of the crucial things that you need in order to develop business online. There's a lot of reasons why a well-designed website can become your main weapon to attract the potential clients. So let's explore how essential the website is for business to succeed. No matter what business you are doing, you will always need more people to visit your store. And that's why you need a website for your business, because you can attract and retain more customers by designing an attractive website. But it is not enough for you to retain your visitor with just an attractive website. You should not ignore the responsiveness, because it is very important to retain your visitors. When you are focused on what matters to your prospect, you can attract more customers. Furthermore, the speed of loading pages is very important for a website. There is a study that has shown that in just 2 seconds, you may lose around 12% of your visitors. When it gets up to 4 seconds, you may lose about 25% of your potential visitors. There's only less than half of the visitors willing to wait over 6 seconds. And so, if you are able to speed up the loading time of your pages, then you may be able to double the traffic of your website. Of course, it is good to attract more visitors to your website. However, are these all your ideal customers? Maybe yes, maybe no. And this is why you need a web design to attract more people who are likely to become your buying customer and share your brands with others. You can do this by incorporating the attractive design features, style elements, image, and text that appeal specifically to your targeted audience. There are few questions that you need always ask about yourself in order to attract your ideal customers. Firstly will be, who is your target? Secondly, what keywords your target always use to search website? Third, what kind of the visuals that attract your audience? Fourth, what the audience wants from the website? And the last, what is the competitors are doing? Have you ever been on a website that is looked one way, where the navigation is weird and disorganized? Are you having a trouble to getting back any parts of the website? These are the examples of the website that it's not optimized. A proper web design provides a seamless experience to the customers, so that every website on any device should be consistent and user-friendly. And the website should be able to guide the visitors through the content, features, and more. Don't put any distractions and help your visitors to get what they want from your website. Most of the people will prefer click on organic result rather than ads. So, if your website is able to rank on the first page, then your website will be the best platform to answer the query. Besides, over 75% of the traffic will go to the websites that is ranked on the first page. The popular search engines like Google are constantly improving their algorithm, which ensure the best quality of the website will be ranked on the top. If your website is being ranked on the first page, there are few benefits that you will be enjoyed. First of all, to increase the quality of traffic. Secondly, to cut your marketing costs. Thirdly, will be delight your customer. So, how do you think about this video? Leave the comment below and let us know about your opinion. If you want to learn more about digital marketing skills, don't forget to like our Facebook page and subscribe our YouTube channel. And also, don't forget to share this video to your friends. There are more videos are coming soon. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video.